Arch and release. Arch and release is one of the easiest and safest ways to relieve lower back pain, an issue that most people suffer from at some point in their lives. To relax and regain control of our lower back muscles, we pandiculate and intentionally create the green light reflex. We do this by tightening our back muscles slightly more than they already are, followed by a slow, conscious and controlled release to a complete rest. This point of rest can also be referred to as neutral or centre. Lay down on your back with your knees bent and your feet roughly hip width apart, not too close or too far from your sit bones. Notice how your lower back feels. Is it relaxed and soft, or do you feel tension and as if it's arched tightly up away from the floor? You can use your hands to feel your lower back to help your brain really notice and sense. Increase the arch of your lower back by letting your pelvis tip forward in the direction of your feet. Feel the weight shift down through the back of your pelvis towards your tailbone. Pause the movement at the top and notice where you feel a tightening of your back. From that point, slowly release your back to neutral and take a breath or two at rest to check that you really let go. Repeat the arch and notice this time if your head moves. For every movement of the spine, there's a movement of the head. But one of the ways that sensory motor amnesia shows up in this movement is that the head stays still and is disconnected from the movement of the spine and the pelvis. So when you arch your back, let your chin drop down, moving in the same direction as your pubic bone. Continue to breathe freely and slowly release your back to rest. Now put your attention into the front of your body. This time start with a fuller, more generous inhale, and as you do that, allow your belly, ribs and chest to expand up and outwards as you arch and contract your back. Pause at the top and take another fuller breath in and notice if letting go of the front of your body helps you to further contract your back muscles. Notice the tightest part of your back and release outward from that point until you find a complete rest.